Hi there, I'm Jess from Taskfeed, and in this video I will show you how you can mass update existing boards with a stage value using the new Taskfeed Board Stage field available in Summer 19. We're going to do this by mass updating boards from a list view in Taskfeed Boards. In order to inline edit records from a list view, the field must be on the page layout. If the stage field is not on the page layout, Salesforce administrators can add the field by editing the Taskfeed board page layout. Just go to Setup, Object Manager, find and select Taskfeed board. Then go to Page Layouts and edit the Taskfeed board layout. If you worked with a custom stage field before Summer 19, just leave the old field on the page layout for now to help you map the values to the new stage field as you update those boards. Now let's go back to the Taskfeed Boards tab to update existing boards with a stage value by using the new stage field. Select a list view to work with, and then make sure you have the new stage field and your old stage field, if applicable, displayed on the list view. Now, you'll be able to edit multiple boards at the same time. You can do this by selecting multiple records there on the left that should have the same stage value. Then double-click on the new stage field and select a corresponding value. Then check the box to update multiple items and save. When you're done, click Save there in the bottom and continue editing other boards by repeating the same process and selecting the appropriate value for each group of selected boards. And that's it. When you're done, you can ask your Salesforce administrator to remove the old stage field from the page layout to avoid confusion with a new board stage field. You don't need to use that old stage or see it on the page layout anymore, but you may want to report on it. So don't delete the old field from Salesforce until you're absolutely sure that all of the data has been migrated onto the new board stage successfully.